You know, this might sound unbelievable, but black holes, they actually make sounds. Pretty wild, right? So, NASA scientists were checking out this supermassive black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster, and they noticed these ripples in the gas around it. And when they turned those ripples into sound, what came out was this super low kind of creepy note, way below what we can normally hear. Imagine that. It's almost like the universe has been playing background music all along. We just didn't have the tools to listen. So yeah, space isn't completely silent. It's alive with strange sounds.